Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the TalkTune English podcast, where English becomes part of your daily.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TalkTune English. I'm Lena. If you're trying to speak English more fluently, but still struggle, you're not alone. Speaking English can be very difficult. Maybe you're studying grammar. Maybe you're watching English videos. But when you try to speak, the words just don't come out easily. That's okay. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Emily and Paul.
Hi, Paul. I'm great. Thank you. I'm so happy to be here. And you know, today's topic is extra special because it came from you, our amazing listeners. One of our subscribers asked us to talk about writing in English, and we thought, what a brilliant idea.
Oh, yes, a very important topic. It's about writing in English.
Writing. Some people might think, oh, writing is hard, but we want to show you it can be easy.
Yes, and it's so helpful for learning English. Before we start, please remember to like this video.
Yes, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. English channel if you haven't yet. It helps us a lot.
And please share this episode with your friends who are learning English. Let's help more people.
Okay, Paul, let's talk about why writing in English is good for us. What do you think?
Well, for me, one big reason is that it helps you remember new words.
Oh, that's a good one. When you write a word, it stays in your head better, right?
Yes, you see it, you think about it, you write it. It's like magic for your memory.
Yes, like magic. And it also helps with grammar, doesn't it?
Yes, totally. When you write, you think about how to make a sentence. You think about verbs, about prepositions.
So you practice putting the words in the correct order, like building a puzzle.
Exactly. And when you make a mistake, you can see it and learn from it. It's a great way to improve.
That's true. It's much easier to see your mistakes when they are on paper or on a screen.
And what about for communication? Is writing good for that?
Oh, absolutely. Imagine you want to send an email to a friend in another country or a message.
Yes, or maybe you're traveling and you need to write something important.
Yes, or for school or for work. Many jobs need you to write emails in English.
So writing helps you talk to people even if they are far away. That's very cool.
Yes, it opens up a lot of doors, doesn't it? It helps you connect with the world.
Wow, I never thought about it like that, but you're right. It's like a superpower.
A superpower, I like that. So, writing helps you remember words, learn grammar, and communicate better.
That's a great summary, Emily. What else? What else?
It also helps you organize your thoughts.
Oh, explain that, Emily. That sounds interesting.
Well, when you speak, sometimes words just come out. But when you write, you think more about what you want to say.
Ah, yes, you plan your ideas, like making a map before you start a journey.
Exactly. So it helps you think clearly in English. It builds your English brain.
Wow, that's great. So many good reasons to write. I'm excited now.
Okay, Paul, so we know why it's good. But many people might say, how do I start? It's scary.
Yes, that's true. It can feel big, but we have some easy tips.
What's your first tip, Paul, for someone who is just starting to write?
My first tip is Start small. Don't try to write a whole book. Just write a few words.
Yes, like write about your day. Just one sentence. Today is sunny.
Perfect. Or, I ate an apple. Super simple. No pressure.
Yes, the goal is just to start. Don't worry about mistakes at first. Just write.
Exactly. My second tip is keep a simple diary.
Oh, I love that idea. Like a small notebook, or even on your phone.
Yes, every day, try to write 2 or 3 sentences about your day.
I woke up early. I drank coffee. I went to work. Easy.
Yes, and you can look back and see your progress. That's very motivating.
That's great. What about writing messages to friends?
Oh, yes. If you have a friend who is also learning English, send them messages.
Like, hi, how are you? What are you doing? Simple questions.
Yes, even short texts are writing practice. Every little bit helps.
That's so true. And it's fun because you are talking to someone.
So, start small, keep a diary, and send messages. Great ways to begin.
Okay, now let's talk about how to get better at writing. What are some good strategies?
My first tip for improving is read more in English.
Oh, why is reading important for writing, Paul?
Because when you read, you see how sentences are made. You see new words in action.
Ah, so you learn from examples, like seeing how a chef cooks before you try yourself?
Yes, exactly. You learn how English sounds on paper.
That's smart. So read simple books, simple articles, anything you like.
Yes. And my second tip is use a dictionary.
Oh, yes. A good dictionary is your best friend when writing.
Yes, when you don't know a word, look it up and write it down.
And try to use the new word in a sentence. That helps you remember it.
That's a fantastic idea, Emily. Don't just look, use it.
My next tip is don't be afraid of mistakes.
Oh, this is so important, Emily. Many people stop writing because they are scared.
Yes, but mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
It's how we learn. Think of mistakes like steps on a ladder. Each mistake helps you go higher.
Yes, exactly. So write, make mistakes, and learn. It's part of the journey.
And another tip, practice regularly.
Ah, consistency is key, right? A little bit every day is better than a lot once a month.
Yes, just 5 or 10 minutes every day. It adds up, like saving money.
That's a good way to think about it. Little by little, you get better and better.
So read more, use a dictionary, don't fear mistakes, and practice regularly. These are great tips.
Okay, Paul, what are some common problems people have when writing in English? And how can they fix them?
One big problem is not knowing enough words.
Yes, it's hard to write if you don't have the words you need.
So how can we fix this? My tip is learn new words every day.
Yes, just a few, maybe 3 new words, and try to use them in your writing.
Excellent. And keep a vocabulary notebook. Write the word, its meaning, and an example sentence.
Oh, that's so helpful. Then you can look back at your new words.
Another problem can be grammar rules. It can be confusing.
Yes, like, do I use is or are? When do I add ing?
My tip for grammar is use simple sentences first.
Yes, don't try to write very complex sentences at the beginning.
I like apples is better than I enjoy the delicious red apples that grow in my garden.
Yes, for sure. Keep it simple and clear, and later you can add more.
And if you are confused about a grammar rule, you can look it up online or in a grammar book.
Yes, there are many easy English grammar websites and videos, like Mr. English Channel.
Yes, we have many videos about grammar. Check them out.
Another challenge can be starting to write when you feel stuck.
Ah, yes, the blank page. It can feel scary.
My tip for this is just write anything, even if it's not perfect.
Yes, write, I don't know what to write a few times, and then an idea might come.
Exactly. Just start the movement, like starting to walk.
And you can also use prompts.
Oh, what are prompts, Paul?
Prompts are ideas to help you start writing, like describe your favorite animal, or what did you do last weekend?
Ah, that's wonderful. It gives you a starting point, like a little push.
Yes. So to overcome challenges, learn new words, start with simple sentences, and use prompts to begin.
Okay, Paul, let's give our listeners some practical examples of what they can write. Super easy things.
Great idea, Emily. For A1 level, we want really simple ideas.
Okay, my first idea, write about your day.
Yes, just 2-3 sentences. Today I went to work. I had lunch. I watched TV.
Perfect. Very practical. My second idea, describe a picture.
Oh, I love this. Pick any picture from a magazine, your phone, anywhere.
And just write what you see. I see a cat. The cat is black. It is sleeping.
Yes, use simple words. It helps you practice describing things.
My third idea, write about your favorite food.
Ooh, yum. Everyone has a favorite food.
My favorite food is pizza. Pizza is delicious. I eat pizza on Saturday.
Yes, short and sweet, and you can use words you know well.
Another idea, write about your family.
I have a mother. Her name is Mary. She is nice.
Yes, practice names and simple descriptions.
And one more idea, write a short message to a friend.
Like we talked about before. Hi, John. How are you? I'm good. See you soon.
Yes, this helps you practice real communication.
So many easy ways to start writing. It's not scary at all.
Not at all. It's an adventure.
Wow, Paul. This was a fantastic episode about writing in English.
I agree, Emily. I hope our listeners feel more confident now about writing.
Me too. Remember, writing helps you with vocabulary, grammar, and communication.
And you can start small. Keep a diary or describe a picture.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. They are your teachers, and practice every day.
Exactly. We covered so much. Now, before we say goodbye, please
Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Come back and practice with me anytime. And remember, you are never too late, too old, or too shy to speak English. Well, you've already started. That's the hardest part. Now, just keep going one phrase at a time. This is TalkTune English. I'm Lena, and I want to thank you for spending this time with me. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep connecting. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it real, keep it TalkTune English. Goodbye for now.